Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about another confirmed airdrop from Zora. Actually this is an NFT marketplace. They have already raised the fundraise of $60 million guys in the funding round, and one of the investor is from Coinbase Ventures. And the good thing about this is already they confirmed the token. Okay, so there will be a token from their platform and there is a confirmation from their side of the reward also. Okay, so people who are interacting with their platform so they will be eligible for the airdrop. So in this video we are going to see about the step-by-step process how you can get participated in this airdrop. So before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So click the like button and continue watching it guys. By clicking that like button means a lot to me, and it won't even take 1 second to hit the like button. Okay, so it will be down there, so just click the like button and continue watching it. And this is my Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive informations and airdrop details and airdrop links also. Okay, so even if you want to find all the airdrop links, you'll be able to find inside my Telegram channel. So make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel guys. And if you haven't watched this Plexus and Islamic coin video, make sure to watch these videos too guys, because they are also doing airdrop. It has been confirmed. Okay, so make sure to watch these two videos. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, in order to participate in their platform, you need to have some Ethereum. So try to deposit some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so once you deposit some Ethereum, we need to use their bridge. Okay, so once you deposited those Ethereum, so we need to bridge those Ethereum from Ethereum network to Zora network. Okay, so I'm going to bridge 0.013 Ethereum. I'm going to bridge now. And one thing you need to remember guys before bridging, so when you are trying to put your money inside, it takes only 1 minute, but when you are trying to withdraw your money, it will take 7 days. Okay, so know that before you do that. So I'm gonna click bridge and the MetaMask pop up, and the MetaMask will pop up. We need to do the transaction now. For this we are paying the gas fee of $2.24. Okay, so once you click confirm, here you can see guys 0.013 Ethereum being added to our Zora balance. Okay, so just click finish, and if you click on this transaction, you'll be able to see your transaction also. Okay, here you can see we transferred 0.013 Ethereum. The gas fee is literally $1.51 only guys. So just come back here again. So once you received it successfully, here you can see 0.01 Ethereum you'll be having in your Zora network now. So now what you have to do is you have to mint an NFT. Okay, so this is the energy NFT which is in public sale only, so anybody can mint it. Okay, so first thing we're going to mint this NFT. And guys, if you want to get all the links you'll be able to find it inside my Telegram channel. Okay, so it will be like this only. So just come inside my Telegram channel, you'll be able to get those links, and my Telegram channel link will be in the description. Okay, so first thing we need to change the network. Okay, so just click change network. So just click approve and switch the network. But guys, if you wanna buy this one, you gotta pay around some $23, something like that. But when initially it was came so initially if you would have bought this one, the price of this one is literally 0.0007 only. But we missed it 2 months ago. The price of the minting cost is only this much only. But now since they got to know it is confirmed airdrop, people are going and jumping and buying. Okay, even though if it's like $25 or even though $23, people are trying to get this one. So you're going to spend literally $22 in order to climb this one. Previously it was just $1 or something like that. So previously it would cost around just within $3 we can end this process, but now it's $22 since all the people are trying to climb this one. Okay, but now they have to buy and only get this one. So if you want, just click confirm and get this one. So you have to get this one in order to be eligible for the airdrop. So after you get this NFT, you can even try to get this another NFT. Okay, Gitcoin. So the thing is guys, all we have to do is we have to do certain activities in their platform. Okay, so in case if you don't have money for climbing this NFT, just come and climb this, at least this Gitcoin NFT. Okay, so this cost around just 0.0007 only. So just click mint, and now here you can see we're going to spend the gas fee just $0.44 only, and here is the total amount we're going to spend $1.87 only. So I'm just gonna click confirm now. So now the minting is in the process. Okay, so now here you can see guys, in the Zora network we successfully made the transaction. We purchased that NFT now. So now what you have to do is like you can actually create multiple, again you can buy and do the transaction. Okay, so that your transaction will be getting higher. So after you purchase the NFT, first one is that energy NFT, and next one is this NFT. So if you purchase both of the NFT, you have the higher chance of getting the airdrop. And the next thing what you can do is possibly you can just create, I mean this is their platform, okay, so come inside their platform. Here what you can do is you can create a collection, okay. So for example, I'm going to create a collection now. Just click on the create, and then you can create in all the edition. I'm going to go with ERC 721, okay. This is my edition. I've just already filled all these things whatever I have to fill, and I'm going to create a thing, okay. So all we have to do is give our name and then symbol and then description and upload the media and give the price, okay. So I'm giving the price is literally 0.0006, okay. This is the price, okay. So I'm keeping very least, okay, for the people in case if they wanted to get this, at least they'll be able to purchase this one, that's why. So right now it's loading, let's see, and it would cost around here you can see the gas fee is $3, okay. So but the product fee is nothing, so only the gas fee we're going to pay for this one, $3.52, okay. So I'm just gonna click confirm. Here you can see the collection is getting and this is my collection successfully deployed Chennai marketer on Zoro. So now check in the Zoro Explorer. Here also you can see it's successfully done, okay, and our collection got created now, and we can even personalize our mint page also, okay. So you can do that also. Now we successfully created our collection, and now it is available, okay. So if you want you can mint this also. Already I tried minting, that's why it's showing one minted, okay. In case if you want to increase the transaction by minting much more NFTs, you can mint this also. The price is very low. I'll leave this link also in the description, okay. So price is literally in the cent size only, 0.00007 ETH only, so it is in the cent only. So you can do this also, and after you complete this task, what you can do is buy and list in the market. So the more transaction volume you generate, the higher chance of you getting the airdrop is there, okay. So try to purchase and try to put it for the sale. And after you do all these tasks, no, one final step is you need to join their Discord, okay. So open their Discord page and click accept invite, okay. So once you click accept invite, it will take you here. First thing we need to verify, okay. So once you joined here, click on your thing and then check whether your role got verified or not, okay. So you need to verify your role. In order to do that, we need to come here and we have to connect our Discord, okay, and then we need to connect our Ethereum wallet also here. Click next and then your wallet will get connected here, okay. So now the wallet is getting connected and we need to switch the network to. So after you connect your Ethereum wallet, make sure to connect your Discord wallet also, okay. So once you connect your Discord wallet, you will be able to get this verified role in the Discord, okay. So after you get the verified role, there is the other role is also there, Zorb role, okay. So if you want to get this role, you need to purchase this Zorb from the OpenSea. In the OpenSea, it cost around literally some 0.038 Ethereum, 0.0308 Ethereum, which is above some $60, I guess, I don't know. So we don't need that one, so it's kind of like extra thing only, this one. So what you gotta do, if you want you can get this also, okay. It's totally up to you. So once you do this process, you will get the role in the Discord, okay. So and one more thing you can do is you can use their testnet, okay. So they have their testnet, okay. So here you can see welcome to the Zora testnet. So what you can do is you can request for go early, okay. So if you request go early, and after you receiving it, you can actually create NFTs, okay. So like how we created using our main money, you can use the testnet money, okay. So go early testnet, you will be able to receive it here. So try this method also, okay. So basically you need to create multiple transaction here, try to utilize their platform to the fullest. First thing, make sure to claim the energy NFT which I showed you, and the next thing is you have to claim this Gitcoin, okay. After you claim Gitcoin, then you need to create your own collection, okay. So try to create your own collection here, and after that what you have to do is like you need to connect your Discord and get this role, okay. So first thing you need to get the verify role. So in order to get the verified role, you need to come here and connect your Discord, so that you will be able to get the verified role here. And after you get the verified role, what you have to do is there is a testnet is also there, the testnet process is also there. You just need to come inside and try the testnet process. So if you do all these things, it will put you in the eligible state for the airdrop in case if they are providing airdrop. But what I'm trying to tell you is like try to purchase multiple times the NFTs. Okay, so that's even you can purchase my NFT which I created with a less amount. Okay, so literally 0.0007 only, so which is low cost. So if you want you can mint that also to increase your transaction numbers, okay, in the platform. So that's it guys, in this video pretty much I covered what I wanted to cover, and I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like button. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.